Research use case: AI chatbots and generative AI as a research assistant. Let's examine the research use case. I will demonstrate how to utilize AI chatbot in research, from the first chapter to the last. Let's start with the research topic first. The first option is ChatGPT and will surpass the limits for a fee. We call it ChatGPT Plus. I recommend this because it's worth using. The cost of ChatGPT Plus is $20 per month. By upgrading to ChatGPT Plus, you'll have access to an improved model and better translations. However, please keep in mind that real-time data is not available, as ChatGPT's database is only up to October 2023. ChatGPT will use this method to collect information from 3-4 websites and summarize the content for you. Try to write a prompt to order ChatGPT-4 to find the name of the research topic. I want to do research on chatbots for teaching. Ask for the name of the topic that is getting attention. We can order ChatGPT-4 to create the number of research topics we want. From the example, you will get a broad answer from ChatGPT-4 because this prompt has only command with not enough related knowledge. I try to fill in the information and ask for the latest year paper samples, ready to show the reference link as well. The new command entered is, I want to do research about chatbot for teaching. Ask for the name of the topic that is getting attention, and ask for the latest year paper sample, ready to show the reference link as well. ChatGPT-4 provides a reference link. There is a database for 2023, but we will see that the reference will be at most 2023. Introducing the Gemini, which belongs to Google. Therefore, when it belongs to Google, its advantage is that we can log in using Gmail. The main page will be like this. This is an example of a cost. Once logged in, we can try to search. Try the original prompt. I want to do research on chatbot for teaching. Ask for the name of the topic that is receiving attention, and ask for the latest year paper sample with a source reference link. The result will be named in the paper as an example and with reference as well. At the reference, there is a link to open the content. Copilot belongs to Microsoft and is free as well, but you must log in using Hotmail. Copilot focuses on trying to give every answer a reference. Try the same prompt command. I want to do research on chatbot for teaching. Ask for the title of the topic that is getting attention and ask for a sample of the latest year's paper. The results will have papers from various sites with references in the content. Show the source link that can be viewed. This will be one way to make us see more papers faster. Another introduction is this Perplexity. The database is real-time. This one is quite similar to Google. The appearance will search for information and use an AI chatbot to help search again. Let's efficiently find the research topic by using the original command. I want to research teaching and learning. Ask for the name of the topic that is receiving attention, and ask for a sample of the latest year with a reference link to the source. Notice that it gives the subject and then goes to the paper well. I will give the source above, which is taken from these 3 websites, and then a conclusion similar to Copilot. Overall, people need quick summary information like this. This is another option. It is to use many, and each of them may have different limitations. Now let's jump to some introductions. Can these AI chatbots write an introduction? Try ChatGPT to write an introduction. I will try to use the prompt that, simulated as a professor, write an introduction to the research topic. Application of chatbots to support teaching and learning in educational institutions. With monkeys, examples of related research. About writing an introduction, if we give enough details and context, I think it's written as an introduction to read about it. We may polish it a little more, or will the expansion be arranged in the form of writing the introduction that we want? Or if you think that a single ChatGPT may not be suitable, try Gemini to write an introduction as well. It's another option. Let's look at the related research. We must find a reference first before we find the research topic or even write an introduction. We need to use a real-time tool to be more suitable. Of course, ChatGPT is not suitable for requesting references. But ChatGPT Plus will have Explore GPTs as an open AI program that allows users to access and take advantage of language models conveniently and diversely. It allows users to understand and use the GPT, generative pre-trained transformer model, to generate high-quality text or data. Click on Explore GPTs. Go to the Research and Analysis section and select Scholar GPT. Scholar GPT has access to over 200 million resources from Google Scholar and more. Try using Scholar GPT to write a prompt. I want to do research on ChatGPT for teaching and learning, specifically research related to its application to support teaching and learning in educational institutions. Request related research with source links. When it comes to intelligence, Scholar GPT surpasses Google Scholar. This tool not only finds information, but also provides comprehensive summaries. Scholar GPT will find the paper with a reference and will tell us about this reference. Discuss something briefly to help us understand it first, which should save more time. Later, look at Claude. Amazon and Google have invested in Claude, and it is a very scary competitor for ChatGPT. Claude will be free and paid $20 per month. The free one is good at GPT-4, and Claude's highlight is the very good Thai language. I use it in the university's paperwork quite often. Any activities that need to be sent quickly and will not be completed in time will be completed with this tool. Try using Claude to write a prompt. I want to do research on ChatGPT for teaching and learning, specifically research related to the application of ChatGPT to support teaching and learning in educational institutions. Request related research with source links. The result is Claude, clarifying that live databases cannot be accessed and searched. Also, the current source link cannot be provided. However, it offers an overview of key research areas and suggests some search terms that we can use to search from up-to-date sources. The advice in this regard is to bring the important points of research related to the subject we asked from the answer from Claude to ask another AI chatbot again. It's a good idea. Continue watching episode 4.